Global share markets were mixed overnight with very little movement. Japan has announced their economic growth figures, which did come out weaker than expected. They have seen economic growth of 0.4% at an annualised pace over the past 3 months. Japanese exporters dragged their economy out of recession last year, but an 8% rise of the yen against the US dollar over the past 3 months has really eaten into exporters' profits, such as Honda. The weaker than expected GDP figures has seen China overtake Japan as the world's second largest economy. Goldman Sachs predict that China will overtake the US as the world's largest economy in 2027. The New Zealand dollar has seen little movement over the past 24 hours and on Tuesday morning is trading at 70.7 against the US dollar. Consensus Economics has recently released their latest growth forecast from their contributing economists. The growth outlook for New Zealand's major trading partners has been revised higher to 4.4%. Most of the hotspots are coming out of areas such as Singapore, who recently saw economic growth of 20% over the past 3 months. Other areas that are looking pretty good are the Philippines and Thailand. Even the UK and the Eurozone have been revised higher. The outlook does suggest that China and the US may see a little bit of a slip in their growth outlook over the coming 12 months. Beef and Lamb New Zealand's economic service is suggesting that New Zealand's sheep flock is stabilising. Much of the increase in numbers is due to retention of hoggets. New Zealand farmers are holding on to hoggets in expectation of high store prices in the year ahead. While the sheep numbers are stabilising, lamb numbers may be down in the year ahead, and this is mainly due to a smaller breeding flock, as well as scanning results suggesting that percentages will be back by about 5 to 10%. The global sheep meat market is very tight, and this is further evidence of this trend. This should keep international prices relatively high. However, given the levels of the New Zealand dollar, we are only expecting to see marginal increases in lamb schedule prices in the year ahead.